Who are we?
We are
the Honor family.
I'm sorry.
I like your light, but I wonder would you light up mine? I've been feeling shine away from who I really am. Hello world, it's Zaire from the Honor family. Coming you back with you guys with another video. I'm in here, I'm in nature, trying to enjoy my time in nature. You know guys, whatever you're going through in life, just know you can get through whatever you can get through, no matter what the circumstances is. You are a great human being at the end of the day. No, don't let nobody stop you from being a great human being. You have your choices in life, whether they bad or good, but we all have choices that we have to live down, and sometimes regret, but you just got to go through the filters in life and try to impact people in your life. Try to dedicate your life on change and being better. Yeah. Walking through nature, drinking a cup of coffee. But yeah, don't let nobody stop you from doing you, trying to be you. At the end of the day, we all have many things we probably want to forget or don't want to forget. But you just got to go through the choices in life and let life impact you at all at once. So, that being said, you have a change, and let that change be now or forever. No matter what, look at nature. The wind is blowing, and I'm just trying to follow it. Yeah. Don't let nobody try to stop you from grinding, trying to stop you from getting to where you want to get. We all have sets, backs. We all have goals that we want to challenge. We all have feedbacks that we want to reply to, but 9 out of 10, get up off your feet and do what you want to do just to impact others in your life. Trying to change you, trying to change the obstacles in your life, and trying to beat the obstacles in your life, and trying to be a great human being at the end of the day. This is nature here, and I'm walking through it. Yeah. We all can enjoy what we can enjoy. We all have impacts that we want to impact. Don't let nobody stop you from being you. You have your own control to your own mind, to your own ability, to your own setbacks. You all control that. Don't let nobody control it. Try to be the best form that you can be in this lifetime. Try to change things that you can change while you can, while you're still here on planet Earth. Try to enjoy what you can enjoy while you're still here on planet Earth. Because Earth is beautiful. Nature is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. Trees is beautiful. People is beautiful. The land is beautiful. Don't let nobody stop you from doing you. Trying to impact to what you want to impact in life. Try to enjoy what you can enjoy while you can. We all have the places, the things to walk around and try to enjoy. Just like this tree branch. We all have opportunity. So go for it. Get it. Change it. Make it. Yeah, I'm sipping this coffee. Oh yeah, and one more thing. We all is living in an illusion. So try to take the chances while we can and beat the obstacles while we can. Because just like in the Bible, love thy neighbor, you should love everyone. You should love everyone, no matter who they are. The ability to change is the ability to beat everything of all. This tree branch is beautiful. The sky is beautiful. Look at the sky. Yeah. We all should change, no matter what. Yeah. Until the next clip. Peace, y'all. Diabetes. Diabetes. What you doing, diabetes? You by the window? Hannah. Hannah, diabetes. Hannah. Hannah.
Stop.
It's getting morning, y'all.
On your face.
Look at this, the morning time. The morning
Good
time.
morning, you guys. It is 6:49 in the morning, and we have been up since about probably like 5 o'clock, I'm pretty sure. So like an hour. And we've just been chilling, kids have been playing, and we've just been watching TV. So next is gonna be time for coffee and food because we're starving. And we need some coffee to wake us up, you guys. So yeah, we gotta be said. What's
up, everybody? What's up, everybody? I hope everybody having the most motivational day. I hope y'all are getting through what y'all get through, no matter what the circumstances is. You are a great human being at the end of the day. Don't let your life choices be your downfall. Always make it into like something so special. So yeah. And with this being said, you will see like a coffee next or some food that we'll show you a few reviews. And probably, yeah. Hello, people of the world. Hope you are having a blissful day, the most wonderful day you can, as possible as you can. Know you can get through whatever you can get through, no matter what the circumstances is. You are a great human being at the end of the day. Don't let nobody stop you from trying to be one of the greatest persons in the world, or a greatest thing that you're trying to focus your life on at this moment. Don't let nobody guide you to failure, only success. Because in your mind, you know what success is, and you know what motivation feel like, and that's what you should mainly focus and gain, and try to be the best person you can be in the world. Don't let nobody stop you from trying to complete what you're trying to complete. Don't let nobody stop you from trying to be where you want to be. And yeah, if you liked this video, please give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so you can be notified when the Honor Family upload our next video. Hey, baby K, tell them. Until next time, y'all. Love you all.